Polaris carburetor, when you're putting these back together, make sure you do it in the correct order. This piece is supposed to sit on top of here. I've seen people do it a lot where they accidentally put this through here thinking this is correct. The problem is then your spring is not pushing down on the plunger. Make sure it goes on top so that when the spring pushes, it keeps this in place. If not, when you throttle this thing up, this thing has nothing holding it back, and it's just going to bounce up and down there, adding a bunch of extra fuel, causing sorts of weird idle issues, runnability issues. So make sure you put it in correctly. So this goes in first. So I do this one-handed. Goes in first. Then this piece goes in, making sure it fits down correctly. Then your spring will go in holding all that stuff together.